Aquafina never fails me. It never fails.
And let them see you shine bright.
Cut them hoes. Hold up, wait 1 minute. Hold up, wait 1 minute.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my everyday makeup routine for 2019. Oh my gosh, that's the first time I said 2019 out loud. That's a little crazy. We're in 20. Alright, no time to be nostalgic. I already filmed the video and I realized that I still have this little hair tie in, but I'm not gonna take it out because it'll ruin it, so we're gonna just go with it. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. I'm gonna have all the products that I use in the video linked, or not linked down below, but just I'm gonna put them down below for you guys. I did show them in the video, but just if you guys want to go buy them or whatever, I'll have them in words down below. That is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is like kind of, I guess, tying up this part of my hair, so that way it doesn't get in the way. I literally cannot find my pick, so I hope my hair doesn't look weird. It probably does. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay, so the first thing we're doing is spraying on my Mario Badescu spray. I literally use this all the time. I look like a little kid. But I literally use it all the time, and I've talked about this in my skincare routine and videos before. Like, it's just, this is it. All right, so let me spraying. I just kind of fan it on, and then I'm going to dry it with my hands like this. I'm just gonna rub it in because my arm's getting a little tired. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is using some coconut oil. This is the Shea Moisture 100% extra virgin, wow, coconut oil. I got this off of eBay, and this is like my second purchase of this. I love coconut oil, especially for my face. It does make you look a little greasy, so I don't go ham with this. I'm gonna use another moisturizer after this, but I like to use it on my skin because it's winter time right now and it's really dry. My skin gets dry around this time a lot, so I have to use a lot of coconut oil. And then the last, I guess, like moisturizing product I'm gonna be using is this. I don't know what you call this. It's called Skin Softener. It's by Avon. I've talked about this in my skincare routine as well. I don't really know where you can get it. Well, there's an Avon website, I think, so you can get it on there, but I think this is like a really old product as well, so I'm not sure. But yeah, if you can find it, if I can find it, I'll link it down below. And this is kind of like just to get my skin nice and smooth and I guess prep for the makeup, even though I'm not going to do any type of face makeup because I don't wear face makeup, but you get the point. Maybe you don't, I don't know. Then we're gonna get some water because your girl's dehydrated. Aquafina never fails me. It never fails. I'm sorry, my camera died. I mean, I just I love that for me. All right, where was I don't even I don't even know. The first thing that I do, I guess, to kind of start my makeup is I do my eyebrows. I have not had my eyebrows done, like waxed, in about 4 months since homecoming, and that was in October, so I'm gonna need to get these done like ASAP, no Rocky, because this is just not it. This is not it. For my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I've had this for basically a year now, and I have so much left, like, honestly. I guess the shade that I use is called Ebony. This is the darkest one, and I'm gonna first be using this little spoolie thing that I got from, it came in a pack of brushes. I'm looking in the mirror down here if I'm looking down here, but firstly I just kind of, I guess, brush out my eyebrows, and I kind of make them, okay, listen here, we're not gonna do this. I brush them out and kind of shape them how I want them to go. So the first thing I'm gonna be doing, I guess, I don't really know how to explain doing my eyebrows. I think I'm probably gonna just have you guys watch because honestly I don't know how to explain it. But I take this brush, it's like a slanted brush, it's kind of slanted a little bit, not really, and then I start like right here and I kind of just go up. It took me 2 years to learn how to do my eyebrows, so I'm not even gonna say this is easy because it can be hard. I don't know, maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know, maybe I don't know. I'm kind of like making my own arch also because I don't really have an arch in my eyebrows really. Well, right now I don't because they're not done, but I make my own arch by just going up and then going down. It sounds so simple, but I'm telling you, it'd be hard sometimes. When I get over here, I kind of go lightly to make it look kind of like a gradient. You don't want it to look like too dark over here. Maybe you do what you want to do, but like for me, I don't do that. I'm gonna go into more with this because I want them to look kind of not dark but filled in because my eyebrows are looking so wispy and I'm just not with it. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is doing the exact same thing to the other side. Literally, I have like an easier shot at making this look more arched than this one because I actually have a beauty mark right above where my arch will go, so I just go all the way up to that and then I come back down, and it makes it really easy for me to do that. I hope this is making sense. I really do. All right, so that's pretty much it. My hair is curly and it's big, so it's gonna cover my eyebrows anyways. My hair is like this, I don't really care how my eyebrows look because no one's really gonna see it. But the next thing that I'm gonna be doing is going in with my concealer. I do carve mine out because if I don't, they'll look trash. But this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's in the shade 30 Cafe. I actually have had this for a while and I think it's not good. I'm still using it and there's really nothing else in here. Like, I'm just going on the sides trying to get product out because I'm running out and I need to go to the store. I only carve them out on the top. I don't go under them because when I do that I realize that it doesn't look right. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or it's just me. Maybe it's just me, but I just do right here. Okay, so then what I do is I take my beauty blender. I actually have a brand new one that I got for Christmas and I haven't opened it yet because it's just too fresh, but this is my old one. It's a Real Technique sponge. I'm going to be spraying it with some water because I don't feel like going upstairs to the bathroom and wetting it. It's just doing the most. So I'm going to spray it and use this. Okay, let me stop. All right, that's about as good as it's going to get. So I'm going to do the exact same thing that I just did to this eyebrow, because you obviously want them to look the same. If not, then I don't know why you wouldn't want them to look the same, but hey, do you. But that's all for my eyebrows. I'm not gonna do anything else to them. That's pretty simple, self-explanatory. It is what it is. The next thing I'm doing is my mascara, and I use the Scandalous Eyes Rimmel London mascara. It's the Retro Glam one. This is probably the best mascara that I have had in a really long time. A little trick, I guess, also to make your eyelashes look longer is to go, like, you know how you go up, also go on top of your eyelashes too. I got that from Khloe Kardashian on her Snapchat. Yeah. I also go on the top of my lashes because it also makes it look longer. I don't know how or why. I've been doing that for a couple years now. So try to also go on top of them instead of just going on the bottom if you want to make them look longer. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing is my highlight. So the highlight that I use typically every single day is the ColourPop highlighter. You guys always ask which one I use. It's called Wisp, and it came in a little trio with like two other ones, but I only use this one. So I'm putting this on my nose. I do a lot of nose highlight. Like, I do a lot. This is something that I do like all the time, and a lot of people don't understand why I do it. We're not going to get into why I do it. I just do it because I like to do it, and I've been doing it for like almost 2 years now. But I'm using this Mary Kay palette, and I'm using the shade, I think it's called, is it called Skin? No, I'm using Lemongrass. It's like literally the only one in here. It's just really like rose gold color. Put this on the inner corner of my eyelids. I don't know why, again, I do this. I just really like the way that it looks and the way that it makes my makeup look. So I just continue to do this. And the last but certainly not least, so recently I've been doing the lip liner and lip gloss. I got this from Diera, from, you know, Diera and Ken. So this is the LA Colors lip liner. It's not the best one, but that's why I didn't put on any chapstick. And when I put on chapstick, this doesn't apply well, so my lips feel really dry right now. But I'm gonna be using this, and then I'm using the, I don't know what brand this is called, but it's called the Perfect Tone lip gloss, and it looks like this. So I'm basically gonna just be outlining my lips and then putting on lip gloss. Alright, so after my lips are outlined, I don't know if you guys can tell or not from the camera, I go on with my lip gloss, and I go really just on this part. Like, I don't go where the lip liner is because then it'll make it mess up and like blend in with my lip gloss. So I literally just go right in here. And this is the finishing makeup look. Okay guys, that is it for my makeup look. This is what I do every single day for school, for when I'm going somewhere. But that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time in a new video. Bye guys. Mwah. Okay, why do I bye.
They take pictures just to show them to your bitches, so you can make them jealous.